The following emergency bulletin may affect your area. Listen carefully.
A civil authority has issued a required weekly test for Cass, North Dakota, and Clay, Minnesota, beginning at 11:04 a.m. and ending at 12:04 p.m. Message from EAS. This is a required weekly test. This is only a test. Red River Regional Dispatch Center.
This emergency warning message has been broadcast for your safety. If your area is affected, take all necessary precautions and listen to any local radio, television, or cable outlet for further updates.